1, 2, 3, go! Paano natin kanina? Yung proper, di ba? We have the placement of the tongue, mouth, and jaw. So, pronunciation tayo. Kung paano ko na-explain kanina. Go! Very good. Okay, breathe in. Tuck in ang stomach. Go! Paano ang amo? Open up as if you're about to eat an apple. Go! Very good. Breathe again. Go. Very good. Go. Ulit lang. Relax. 3. Huminga ka. Yung shoulders mo masyadong stiff. 3. Go. Ay, wag sa mouth. It has to be on sa nose. Ha? Madadry yung throat mo. 3. Go. Go. Very good. Go. Gamit dyan. Go. Okay. Gamit dyan ulit. Inhale. Go. Yeah. Kaya pa yan. 3. Go. Paano yung U? Di ba? As if you're sipping from a drink. Yeah. 3. Go. Yun. Di ba mas malakas? 3. Go. 3. Last one. Go. Nagbe-break lang siya kasi